What is concept of virtual DOM in React.js? The virtual DOM is a lightweight copy of the actual DOM. When you create a React component, React creates a corresponding virtual DOM representation. When the state of a component changes, React updates the virtual DOM first. It then uses a diffing algorithm to compare the new virtual DOM with the previous one to determine what has changed. Instead of updating the actual DOM for every single change, React applies only the necessary updates to the real DOM in a batch, which reduces the number of reflows and repaints, leading to better performance. Here's a simple example demonstrating the virtual DOM concept in a React component. In this example, we have a count state initialized to 0. When the increment button is clicked, the increment function updates the state. When setCount is called, React triggers a re-render. React creates a new virtual DOM tree based on the updated state. It compares this new virtual DOM tree with the previous one using the diffing algorithm. It identifies that only the text in the h1 tag has changed. React then updates only that part of the actual DOM, instead of re-rendering the entire component. By reducing direct manipulations of the DOM, React improves performance, especially in applications with frequent updates. The virtual DOM allows developers to write declarative code, focusing on what the UI should look like rather than how to update it. Thank you for watching. आपको वीडियो पसंद आए या नहीं? अपना फीडबैक जरूर देना and please subscribe.